Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can back up your WhatsApp Messenger from your iPhone to your PC. It's pretty simple steps and all you have to do is follow the steps clearly and properly. If you doing that, you successfully can back up your WhatsApp Messenger from iPhone into your PC without losing it, okay? So first go to your WhatsApp application and click on settings. Then scroll down and tap on chats and transfer chats option is there, but we are going with chat backup. So you can back up your chats using these steps, but we are really want transfer WhatsApp message from iPhone to our PC. So we are going to export chart. So select the charts that you want to transfer. So in my case, I'm going to use these charts. So as you can see, we can save files and we can transfer our charts from iPhone to PC. That's really simple. Thanks for watching, and if you really like this video, please like video, and for more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.